Yo, what's up YouTube? Actually, that's one of the good old days. I used to say, yo, what's up YouTube? Today we're playing Roblox. I need to move over down. Don't know, okay, I'm gonna do... Okay, happy now? Okay, good. Cause I'm not gonna make this another video. But, today we are playing Roblox called the Dropper 120 plus level. Last time I played it, that was since 12 months ago. I'm back. I am back on Roblox, y'all. I'm back on Roblox. I've been doing it. Sorry, I haven't made it for like a while now. I've been busy lately because of these annoying things happening. Now I'm gonna reset my character because of this. I think already done playing this game. So what I'm gonna do now is we're gonna choose on speed, not die speed. How's it going, eh? So if I wanna go speedy, don't know why it's, oh my gosh. Too much though. I also don't know why it's not a thing here. I'm gonna get a little close. So I'm trying to fix something right now. Don't know what to do. And now I am all laggy because of all of you. Not because of all of yous. Oh, I haven't played it for a while, so I'm about to okay, up to level 2, y'all. I already done this before. I already done a job before in my life. Or I almost died for it. Okay, y'all. I'm gonna land in the same spot though. Alright, this is very easy. Oh, this one. Don't know about that. Whoa, okay, I remember this. That's very easy though. Too easy. Because last time I actually could put I actually could play this last time. So don't do Minecraft droppers or something. Because we don't have that on Xbox and PlayStation as well. I don't have full game Minecraft PlayStation yet. I was trying to get one though to do some tunes with. So I'm thinking also the reason why I quit YouTube because I've been busy lately. I want to do other stuff instead of doing YouTube stuff. I don't know if I'm gonna make more videos on PC anymore, cause if you guys subscribe to my other channel Vincent Skelly, I've been live streaming PS4 stuff lately. That's why I actually died. That's why I quit. So I quit YouTube, but now I made time to not do other Xbox stuff, and not to do other time stuff anymore because of this other thing happening lately. I reason why I'm making YouTube videos now because so I can upload this to my channel. I know it's been a while, but so my question was, I had a question. I was like, hey, what is it? G? So do you know why we say G? Because people say G and people forget. People say G. Yo, G. But lucky I'm okay now. I went to say G lots of times. When I was being busy at high school lately, so guys, if you want to use Screencast, use it now. Use Screencast or Manic. I've been using them for 5 years now. I've been using them for 5 years. Might be 6 or 5. I've been using it for 5 years because my other channel used to be my old one, but it got deleted. So yeah, I have 4 rebirths now, but what is the people thinking? Oh my gosh, look at them. But lucky, I have good news for you. Have good news for you. I'm not gonna make other videos, but I am going back to YouTube now. So I might be on my phone every day and play Xbox every day. Same as PlayStation, I'll play sometime. Same as PC as well. Oh, so that's why I don't make YouTube videos anymore, because of these. So I'm gonna be doing other things. Yeah, I already gave my mom fights a couple times. Then it was like, Vinny, how is Halloween? It's like, Vinny, how's your birthday? Last month. My birthday's going good, y'all. What level is this? 70. I do it. Anyway, y'all, so give me a second. Here you go. Now we're laggy earlier. So I played Roblox before on my PC. I'll say again, because I actually don't. I played Roblox before on my PC. I have to play. So this is my Windows 10 PC. I call it as Vinny Skelly account. Because, reason why I call that, because this is my main account. I've been using my Xbox for 3 years and still going. I'm gonna keep continuing to do some achievements, but if I lost all my accounts, this is not gonna be good. If I lost one account, that'll be not good. So, oh yeah, so that's why, I don't make, airy stuff. Not Airlon, but, airy. This game called AERY? Oh. What is this? Is this, Oh, I survived it. I thought I was gonna die from a second. I also give a thumbs up and, yep. Oh, hell no, not spiders. Lucky I'm not gonna give them now. So what I've done is 546 coins and 4 rebirths because I've been playing. I haven't been playing Chopper a lot recently. I've been playing as Muscle Legends. I haven't played I don't play Roblox that much anymore. I'm gonna tell you the reason why I don't play Roblox that much anymore. But I still play Roblox, but I played it on my console, and I'm not gonna make videos of them. Because I think his upload studio is not here anymore, and yeah, I'm gonna upload it, so. Hey yo, and by the way, we're gonna upload my OneDrive video. Hey, but we're not gonna say that. Cause, how did I die though? What level is it? 35 y'all? Okay. I literally like died for the first one though. So if I keep moving this thing, that'll be not good enough. Oh, not lasers, but how do they die by lasers, man? I almost fell off. I know this chopper. Chopper. 38, the hard thing. This is so easy, mate. This is so easy. Bad job is very easy, but sometimes it just gets like harder and harder. That's how it is. Oh, that one is very hard for you. So be very careful. Oh, Jesus Christ. I should go way down. Okay. Oh, I am. Ah, no, I'm back to be. What the? Oh, I am not. Oh my gosh. So that levels are very hard for you. So, don't know why I keep dying. I don't fully were, so okay. Oh, thank you for reminding me, yo. So, oh, finally, that's way better way. 41. Oh, that's very that one is very difficult for you, so don't do this one. I already done this before, and yeah, you gotta be careful of these. I died once already, and I only made it. I might die once as well. Oh my gosh, not a scary thing, eh? Oh, yeah. I almost died. Do you know, yeah, we're gonna pause it for today now. I'm back on YouTube. You guys seem very happy with it. Hope you guys had a great day. And hope you have a thumbs up and like up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Same as my other channels. Make sure you follow me on TikTok as well. Same as Facebook, Twitter, and Twitch as well. So follow me on Twitch. My username is InsideKaz. So follow me on Twitch. And hope you guys have a great day, and I'll catch you sometime.